वेलकम गाइस फॉर अनदर न्यू वीडियो। आज हम लोग दिखाने वाले 26 जनवरी रिपब्लिक डे 2025 अरुणाचल प्रदेश नामसाई।
भाई यूट्यूब है क्या? हाँ यूट्यूब है। नमस्ते भैया।
इधर से वीआईपी गेस्ट घुसने वाले। अभी तक टाइम नहीं हुआ आने का। ये ओपनिंग गेट है। हेलो सर। सारे तैयारी लगभग हो चुका है। अभी आप लोग को चीफ गेस्ट आने का इंतज़ार करते और फिर दिखाते हैं। आप लोग बने रहिए हमारे साथ। अभी तक चीफ गेस्ट आया नहीं है, उनका वेट कर रहे। ये हमारे नामसाई का एसपी सर आ रहे हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हो। ये हमारे नामसाई का एसपी सर है। ये हमारे वीआईपी श्री जुगनू नामचुंग सर है, एमएलए, जो कि नामसाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एमएलए। हेलो सर। ये हमारे डीसी सर आ गए हैं, जो कि चीफ गेस्ट है इस पूरे फंक्शन का। डिप्टी कमिश्नर श्री सीआर खंपा। सॉरी गाइस, थोड़ा लेट हो गया अंदर घुसने में। नेशनल एंथम शुरू हो चुका है।
गणतंत्र दिवस परेड आपके निरीक्षण में अधिनायक सिमन।
हेलो। अब हमारे मुख्य अतिथि जितने भी प्लाटून हैं उनके निरीक्षण करेंगे। आज के हमारे परेड कमांडर है इंस्पेक्टर मीराक नोमले, कंपनी कमांडर 2nd IRBN नमसाई। उसके बाद है 2IC SI रेमसन लांगचिंग, पुलिस स्टेशन नमसाई। परेड इंचार्ज है हमारे SI ASI तुलानी चौहाई, 2nd IRBN नमसाई के। और पायलट में है मिस अनु देवरी, NCC 2IC में है हेड कांस्टेबल दुलिन सारी, RPL नमसाई। दूसरे प्लाटून पे है प्लाटून कमांडर श्री दीप ज्योति दत्ता, गवर्नमेंट हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल नमसाई, NCC बॉयज। 2IC में है श्री विजय पात्रा, है 2IC में है मिस बोरखा दास। 8वें नंबर पे गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल 1 स्काउट्स, प्लाटून कमांडर है श्री कामसेंग सिंह। 2IC में है श्री गौरव महातो। प्लाटून नंबर 9 पे है गवर्नमेंट अपर 2IC में है मिस त्रिशा मंडल। प्लाटून नंबर 10 गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल 2 स्काउट्स, प्लाटून कमांडर है मिस सुदीप्ता नाथ। 2IC में है मिस त्रिशा मंडल। प्लाटून नंबर 10 गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल 2 स्काउट्स, प्लाटून कमांडर है श्री माधव तांती। 2IC में है विशाल मुरा। प्लाटून नंबर 11 गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल गाइड्स, प्लाटून कमांडर है मिस दास। 2IC में है मिस मोइना देवरी। और 12वीं प्लाटून है ब्लूमिंग बर्ड स्कूल के, प्लाटून कमांडर है नांग पियादिसी मनसाई। निरीक्षण के बाद अब होगा हमारा मार्च पास्ट और बैंड डिस्प्ले, जो हमारे राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को सलामी देते हुए जाएंगे।
आज्ञा प्रदान करे सिमन।
पे मंच की ओर जाते हुए राष्ट्र ध्वज को सलामी देंगे। पहले नंबर पे है हमारे नमसाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस प्लाटून नंबर 1, जिसके नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं हमारे रेली यादव। आगे है परेड कमांडर और 2IC सलामी देते हुए नमसाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस। जोरदार तालियां। दूसरे पे है हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल नमसाई NCC बॉयज श्री दीप ज्योति दत्ता, सलामी देते हुए। तीसरे नंबर पे है हमारे हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल नमसाई के NCC गर्ल्स, जिसके निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं मिस अनीसा कुमारी, प्लाटून कमांडर, सलामी देते हुए मंच से आगे। उसके बाद है हमारे हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल नमसाई स्काउट, और 5वें नंबर हमारे बैंड बाजा के साथ BKV नमसाई, जिसकी निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं थम सिंह चौलिक। हमारे सेकेंडरी स्कूल के स्काउट प्लाटून कमांडर है श्री अजीत मिर्जा, सलामी देते हुए राष्ट्र ध्वज को। उसके बाद है गवर्नमेंट सेकेंडरी स्कूल नमसाई के गाइड प्लाटून कमांडर मिस पुष्मीना मुंडा। इसके बाद है गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल 1 स्काउट्स, प्लाटून कमांडर है श्री धम सिंह सिंह, 2IC गौरव महातो। उसके बाद पीछे से आते हुए प्लाटून कमांडर है मिस सुदीप्ता नाथ, कंधा से कंधा मिलाते हुए। उसके बाद है हमारे साथ गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल 2 के स्काउट्स, जिसके निरीक्षण कर रहे प्लाटून कमांडर श्री माधव तांती। उसके बाद है गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल स्काउट्स स्कूल के गाइड मिस मीना मुनीदा, मिस मोइना देवी है स्कूल कमांडर नाम किया सीमान साहब।
Good morning, namaskar, Savi. All the dignitaries on the dais, members of Panchayat Raj institutions, government, and ladies and gentlemen present. A warm good morning and heartfelt greetings on this 76th Republic Day of all of you and the people of Namsai district. On this momentous occasion, we come together to celebrate the spirit of our nation, the Constitution, the freedom we hold so dear. As we mark this historic day, let us pause and pay our glowing tribute and homage to the countless freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we could live in freedom. We must never forget the unsung heroes who gave soldiers who even today lay down their lives to protect the security and integrity of our great nation. Friends, on this Republic Day, we reaffirm our pledge to build a Viksit Bharat by 2047 when we celebrate 100 years of our independence. Achieving this vision can only be accomplished when we dream together, work together, and march forward together. As the saying goes, united we stand, divided we fall. We are witnessing the rise of a new India, a nation that is not only a global power, but is also the fifth largest economy in the world. We are on a steady path to becoming the third largest economy, ensuring progress, prosperity and happiness for our citizens. We have made significant the lives of our people. On the one hand, we have ensured that every citizen has access to basic amenities like housing, food, sanitation, drinking water, electricity and LPG connection. On the other hand, we are reaching new heights in space exploration, having touched the moon with Chandrayaan and now preparing for the launch of Gaganyaan. The guiding mantra of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, reform, perform and transform, has propelled our nation's growth and positivity impact on the lives of millions of people. The journey of our state from NEFA to its present day glory has nothing short of spectacular. Over the past decade, we have made significant progress. Our unity in diversity is our greatest strength, and it is this diversity that makes us the Arunachalis. The natural beauty of our state, with its rich flora and fauna, is a treasure that we must protect and preserve for future generations. Our state government, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Pema Khandu ji and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Chaunamen ji, is striving for a Sankalp Sashakta Arunachal, one that will contribute immensely to nation building. A Sashakt Arunachal will be a Surakshit Arunachal, a Swast Arunachal, a Shikshit Arunachal, a Samrit Arunachal, and a Sundar and Swachh Arunachal. Each one of us has a role to play in this journey. Although Namsai is a relatively young district, only 10 years old, it has emerged as one of the most dynamic districts in terms of development. Since its creation in 2014, Namsai has made remarkable progress. It has moved from the 97th place in 2018 to the 12th place in 2024 in the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog. This remarkable achievement is a testament to the tireless efforts of our team Namsai. I acknowledge your unwavering support, and I hope we can continue to work together to ensure Namsai's place among the top 9 performing districts of the country. I am also pleased to inform you that the state government in its recent cabinet meeting has approved the proposal for establishment of a medical college in Namsai under the PPP model. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Chaunamen ji, Honorable MLA Chow Jignu Namchung ji, for their guidance in this initiative. I would like to express my gratitude to all the past and present honorable MLAs whose hard work has contributed to shaping Namsai from a circle headquarter to the divisional headquarter of Eastern Arunachal Pradesh. Dear friends, as we have strived in development, we must also focus on the challenges we face today. In our pursuit of Swasth Namsai, we have several concerns. TB cases. We are facing a high number of TB cases in the district. As a part of the National Mission for TB Mukt Bharat, we are committed to eliminate TB from our district. Our first step is to identify all the active TB cases through extensive testing, and we are organizing camps to detect TB in a time-bound manner. I appeal all citizens of Namsai to extend all possible help and cooperation in this mission. Drug and HIV cases. The menace of drug continues to devastate our youth, and the rise in HIV cases among drug users requires immediate attention. We must unite to combat this social evil. Ladies and gentlemen, while development is essential, we must also protect and preserve our culture, tradition and heritage, which may otherwise be overshadowed by the forces of modernity. I am pleased to announce that Namsai will host the second edition of Bharat Lok Sangeet Arunachal Utsav under the Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat initiative from the 9th February to 11th February 2025. This event will showcase performance from more than 17 tribes of Arunachal Pradesh and cultural troops from other states. I request your full support to make it a resounding success. The tourism sector is gaining momentum in Arunachal Pradesh, and the Golden Pagoda is fast becoming a hub of tourism. To further promote tourism, we will organize a Golden Pagoda Marathon on 9th February. Additionally, we are encouraging homestays, our tour operators, eco-resorts through the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Swalaman Yojana, which offers 40% government subsidy. For aspiring entrepreneurs, I am excited to inform you that the PM Unnati scheme, which aims to boost manufacturing and services in the Northeast, this scheme offers 50% subsidy for projects up to 15 crores. And I encourage you to take full advantage of this opportunity to grow business like factories, hotels, resorts, homestays, and many more. Dear friends, in education sector, we have launched a digital platform to track the attendance of teachers and students. Preliminary findings indicate a concerning level of absenteeism among the teachers, which is unacceptable and detrimental for the future of children. District administration will not tolerate the misuse of public resource, and we are committed to improving school infrastructure to meet the modern day requirements. As we look forward toward the future, many of our youth are embracing agriculture as profession. With the abundant natural resource and land at our disposal, we must encourage them to diversify into high-value crops. Agriculture should remain the backbone of our economy, and our youth must play an active role in its growth. The fast-changing world demands that we equip our youth with the skill and knowledge necessary for future. National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme (NAPS) and the State Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme (SAPS) offers opportunities for training and remuneration. We are launching a campaign to skill our youth, and I urge everyone to take part. Women's empowerment is a priority for us. Under Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, we have formed more than 1,200 self-help groups and disbursed over 10 crores of rupees to empower women economically. There have been many entrepreneurships among the women self-help groups. Dear friends, on this auspicious occasion of 76th Republic Day, let us renew our commitment to building a prosperous, peaceful and developed Arunachal Pradesh. Let us resolve to uphold the values enshrined in our constitution, secularism, democracy, socialism, and contribute to the progress of our nation. I extend my gratitude to all participants parade contingents, cultural troops, student friends, security forces, and I thank you all for being a part of this celebration. Once again, I wish you all a very, very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal.
पार्ट 1 यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है और पार्ट 2 में आप लोग को पूरी तरह से परेड सेरेमनी देखने को मिलेगा। आप लोग बने रहिए हमारे साथ।